Nowadays, automotive industry have developed and also the lubricating system that need the high performance lubrication in order to have less breakdown. At this time, we also have to think that how to save money from the fuel oil crisis that we can escape. Now we found out the solution that can protect engine from wear, increase in engine performance, helps the economize fuel consumption, stabilize engine temperature, increase fuel or oil mileage, compatible with petrol, diesel, gas engine. And this is Motro Tech engine treatment. Motro Tech engine treatment, the high performance engine treatment. I'm sure that you may have seen some oil treatment and engine treatment and you felt unimpressive with it. You will forget all traditional engine additive if you have tried Motro Tech engine treatment. Motro Tech engine treatment is the latest German developed technology. Motro Tech engine treatment has been sold for more than 30 countries around the world. But not enough, Motro Tech engine treatment also certified from testing team in Philippines and King Fahd University from Saudi Arabia. From the testing, we found out that have less particles contaminated motor oil, less vibration of the engine, improve engine power for the output, saving fuel consumption, reduce wear or loss of bearings, increase engine lifetime. So totally means it is safe for your car and save your money. According to we have tests with the bus and truck and generator. We found out that the Motro Tech engine treatment applied with the bus can reduce particles in motor oil up to 40.2%. The result is Motro Tech engine treatment can extend service life of motor oil up to 1.5 times. It is safe for your cost and save for your time. However, the viscosity of the engine oil has not been affected adversely by the addition of Motro Tech engine treatment. Moreover, the fuel consumption also benefit after use Motro Tech engine treatment. We found out that applying Motro Tech engine treatment in the engine can reduce fuel consumption up to 21%. Imagine if your normal fuel consumption is $250 per month, you can save up to 20%. That means $50 per month. Just do your math. How much you can save in a year? And if your normal fuel consumption more than $250, just imagine. Incredible, right? Hi, my name is Thanayot Wongwanit. Now we are going to find out how Motro Tech engine treatment works. Under high temperature condition, the Motro Tech engine treatment will create chemically bond into the engine parts. Okay, now I would like to introduce your engine that we have to test with it. This we call Timken machine. This is a machine that normally used in the laboratory test, follow the ASTM standard or American Society of Testing and Minerals. Due to the major duty of the lubricant is to lubricate the metal. To reduce friction during the working of the engine, the less friction make the engine has less wear and tear. The greater friction create greater wear and tear. So wear and tear is the main problem that lead to the engine breakdowns. At first, I would like you to see at the moving bearings here. When I switch on, the bearings is moving. This bearing can compare with the moving parts in the engine, such as piston, main bearings, camshaft, valves. These are the main moving parts in the engine that all have to lubricate with the motor oil. We compare with this. Okay. Now, one more important piece is these taper bearings. We can compare this part of the engine that it is a fixed part and can be scratched by the moving parts such as cylinder liner, connecting rod, bearings, camshaft bush, and main bearings. Put it together. You have friction between two metal here. Friction. The metal attached with the metal. Create friction, loss, wear, and tear here. So this is the reason that we have to put the lubricating oil between two parts here. Okay, now we are introduce this testing machine. We call the Timken test. In the Timken test, we have two important parts here. The first is this bearing. The second is this taper bearings. These two bearings will attach together and create a friction. We will put the motor oil here into the sump tank. This we compare with the sump tank of the engine. When we pour the oil here, put the oil in the sump tank to lubricate the system like this. And when I switch on the machine, the lubricating oil will go through the system between two parts of the engine. Okay, let's compare it. The first one, this one, we compare with the fixed part in the engine, like cylinder liner or cylinder rod. And this part we compare with the moving part in the engine, like piston rings, camshaft, valves, everything that moving in the engine. Okay, let's see the test now. Switch on the engine. So the engine is working and the lubricating oil is working. Okay. And now I am going to put the load here. Put the load. Like you drive, you accelerate the car, you brake. Two pieces. Things that going. Thing that happen is the bearing switch cannot move. So we're going to think that, okay, let's come back from the oil that you use. That is good enough for your engine. This thing can make your engine down, wear and tear, things like that. Okay, and let's see the outcome of your engine that use only ordinary oil. Remove it. You can see wear elements. Let's see what is happen in your engine. Now your engine has wear elements here. So this thing lead you to fix, to overhaul, to buy a new car, to make your engine have less performance and have more fuel consumption because the friction in your engine. Now you can see it how Motro Tech engine treatment works. We just put in to your engine just 5%. Just a little amount. Here, put into your engine. Put on the bearings and then start your engine. This engine treatment also provide your high lubricity and protect the dry start incident. Like your normal day in the morning when you start, at first time when you start your engine, you have no lubricating oil lubricate into your system. Just 3 to 5 minutes that is pumped into your engine to circulate all the engine. But immediately that you start, the Motro Tech engine treatment can work into your engine. Let's see. Put on the weight. 1, 2. You have no oil here. It's moving like dry start incident in the morning. 3. Now you feel the difference now. And 2 or 3 seconds, the oils come up. Right now you feel the difference. Now we put on full load here, and your engine works smoothly, less noise, less temperature, less heat.
Okay, now let's check it out. Take a look at these two bearings. You can notice that the one that use only usual lubricating oil has clearly seen wearing on it, but the other one that we apply Motro Tech, you can see that very less wearing on the bearing surface. So if you use Motro Tech engine treatment, I'm sure that you will have less maintenance costs for your engine or your machine.
Everyone report to the dance floor, to the dance floor, to the dance floor. Now everyone report to the dance floor. Alright, stop.
หลังจากที่ผมใช้สารเสริมประสิทธิภาพ Motro Tech ตัวนี้รู้สึกว่าเครื่องอัตราเร่งเครื่องยนต์ดีขึ้นครับแล้วก็เดินเรียบและเงียบขึ้นด้วยรู้สึกประทับใจมากครับผม
No worries, Papa's got a brain.
ทุกวันนี้ราคาน้ำมันก็แพงขึ้นมากทำให้ค่าใช้จ่ายของดิฉันเพิ่มตามขึ้นไปด้วยตั้งแต่ดิฉันได้รู้จักสารเสริมประสิทธิภาพ Motro Tech ตัวนี้ทำให้ดิฉันลดค่าใช้จ่ายไปได้มากเลยค่ะ
ดิฉันเป็นคนหนึ่งซึ่งใช้แก๊ส LPG ช่างหลายคนเตือนดิฉันบอกว่าใช้แล้วเครื่องจะร้อนตั้งแต่ดิฉันรู้จักสารเสริมประสิทธิภาพ Motro Tech เครื่องยนต์ของดิฉันก็ไม่มีปัญหาอีกเลยค่ะ
รถมอเตอร์ไซค์ของผมคันนี้นะครับเมื่อก่อนต้องเข้าอู่ซ่อมรถเป็นประจำวิ่งก็ไม่ดีน้ำมันก็หมดเร็วนะครับแต่เมื่อผมรู้จักสารเสริมประสิทธิภาพ Motro Tech ตัวนี้แล้วรถผมไม่ต้องเข้าอู่อีกเลยนะครับรถวิ่งได้เงียบสารตัวนี้ดีจริงๆเลยครับ
ผมต้องเดินทางไกลประจำเครื่องยนต์ผมถึงต้องพร้อมเสมอตั้งแต่ผมใช้สารเสริมประสิทธิภาพตัวนี้รถผมวิ่งได้ไกลขึ้นประหยัดน้ำมันได้มากขึ้นขอบคุณ Motro Tech ครับ